So, anyway, this is quite boring, so give me some tea. Come on. What about some girlfriend? Do you have one? Or a boyfriend? Or a boyfriend? You know I'm not judging. No. Oh my. What a shame. That's quite surprising, you know? You're quite cute, handsome, nice. Everything that girls could want. Don't worry, I believe soon you will find somebody. Oh, me? Well, let's say that I'm just a little too picky, you know? Wow. Oh, stay, bro. Are you blushing? Why are you blushing? Is it a bump in your pants? Are you getting excited by this? Do you getting hard because of my sneezing? Wow! Oh, I have to blow my nose. So you think my disgusting mucus is sexy? Come on, Stan bro. This is so wrong. I had no idea. You know what? I have one thing to test you. Wait, I have it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna sneeze right at you. Well, let's see what it will do. Let me get closer. Let's see if this gets you going, step bro. Oh. I see it. It's confirmed you have sneezing fetish. That's adorable. Now I will have to tease you at home all the time. Oh, oh my. You know what? I think we will have fun with this a little more. Catch.